Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. And I found some old sticker books from 2020. They're hardly used because, of course, who did anything in 2020? So this is my first time looking at them in a long time. And so I wanted to go through and just see what we can use to get this stuff planned for this week. So I thought I would use those. And then, of course, I got a couple other with some quotes. And then some little tiny stickers, because it's so much easier to just put a sticker than to write. So I'm going to go through here. Now, these dates don't line up right now, so that is okay. I'm going to skip right over those. I could change any dates, but my dates are all done, so we are good. Let's see here. This is President's Day. Is there a President's Day on here? There is not a President's Day, unless you see it. I do not. I'll just look through here again, make sure. Just looking through here real quick. I'm going to go through all of these. Inspirational book. See if there are some quotes in there. And then let's see this one. All right. All right, so we're just going to go through here. Oh, there's President's Day. It jumped right out at me. So that is going to be in this orangish color. So that will, anything else? Nothing really else in here. So we'll put this right on here for President's Day. And I know that because my grandbabies are out of school that day. So let's go ahead and we're going to look through the inspirational next. See if there's some quotes that I think I saw on here. I thought I saw quotes in here. There we go. Don't stop until you're proud. That one's cool. We'll put that one. And we will do that on Friday. Because, you know, that's when we need that inspiration the most. It just happens to be in that nice color. So I won't have a problem using any of these colors. But if we stay within that color, that'll be okay too. Here's some more. Wild and free. Life is tough. Trust your struggle. That's a good one. I think what I'll do is I'll keep it on this kind of orangey one for right now. We'll put a things to do. We'll put that right here. On our Tuesday. Let's put a weekly goal on here as well. I'm going to grab it. Don't forget. Do we need a monthly goal? We could do a monthly goal. I'm gonna do a don't forget here in the notes. No, I'm not going to. I will do a don't forget right here, actually. Because Saturday is always when I decide that I'm going to forget something. And then I'm going to put right here, I'll put that monthly goal. And then next to it, I'm going to put the weekly goal. And let's look at this. This one is for wellness. Just looking through here. Habit tracker. Steps. Hydrate. That's a good one. We'll put that in our notes as well. And then I'm going to use this one and this one. And I'm going to go back to this one. And we'll put our little checklist here. I'm going to put this one, let's see if you could see, go like that. Just like that. And we'll put that one above there. And then we'll put that one down below there. All right, so now we have our list here. A lot of these are the same here. Use these guys and do the same thing, because you know me, I'm all about lists. And we will put some lists on here for Saturday. Actually, yeah, I'm going to put it for Saturday. I thought maybe I'd do Friday, but I'm going to do Saturday. I'll look for a checklist for the others. I don't want that there. I think I'll put that right here. Then I can at least put the list there. And then we've got this little list as well. And I think we'll put this one right here. I'm going to use this one for a call today. And I can make my little list of calls as well. And then I was going to use this email today, but I don't like the black being on there when everything else is that color with white. And here we go. Here's another one. one. I don't know if you could see that or not. I'll put that one right here. And again, I got these at Target in 2020. So, let's see. I think we're doing good here. I think just for fun, we'll put a couple of these little guys. Oh, good thing I didn't put that one down too hard. There we go. These are fun little stickers. We've got a best day ever. That might be one that I use. So lots of pages on this now. They're obviously not going to have this, but I wonder if they have others. Here's another one. This is a me day. That'll be good. And then a prioritize. Here's little tiny little checklists. That's not, that's way too small for me. All right, I think that's everything that I need from here. Okay. All right, Sunday is going to be a me day. Always. And then I'm going to put this prioritize one right here. My list of priorities. I'm going to put this one right over that relax sticker. Look at that. I love that. I'm going to flip through here off camera real quick just to see if I could find any more of the stickers. Here we go. Like this one says, I can and I will. And then we've got some good coffee here. We don't have any girls' weekends. Oh, I like this. Find your wings and fly and stay positive. I'm going to put this one right here in between the two, and then this one is going to be this I have as the coffee, but it's actually going to be to clean the coffee maker. So I'm going to put that right there. Then I can go over here. Let's see. This is actually going to be better. And then this one says stay positive. I think I'll put that right here. No, yeah, right here. I'll put it right in the middle. There we go. So I used my Target stickers from 2020, finally, February of 2026. So I hope you like this. I just think that is so cute, and I really don't have any others that I want to go through here because I really like staying with that color. But if I were, I would add some little planner stickers on the day that I'm planning, and like other grocery stickers and that kind of stuff. But I really like this all one color, and what I'll probably do is find a pen that color and end up using that for the week. All right, beauties, I hope you like this. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more, and I am so thankful for you. All right, beauties, have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later. Bye.